Hi everyone, welcome back. Today was a big day in the news as Governor Hogan announced that he has decided to extend the school closures already in place and close public schools in the entire state of Maryland for another 4 weeks through April 24th of this year. Governor Hogan explained that he was doing so with the guidance from the Federal Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and he warned that additional closures may be necessary. It looks like there might not be any further public school in the state of Maryland for the rest of the year. Now, I know none of my friends or family or my clients with children are particularly pleased to hear that schools are going to be closed for another 4 weeks. I think everyone is going a little bit stir crazy already. But for those families that are in a two-household situation or a court-ordered or agreed-upon shared custody situation, this puts a further strain on things. As I discussed in a previous post, this is a very difficult time for families in those situations because in most cases, their agreements or their schedules are based on the school year and the school days. And to be looking at a situation where we might not have school at least through the month of April and maybe even further really adds to the uncertainty that everyone is already feeling for those families. Without the court system being open to hearing family law cases, there's really not too many good options for people out there other than to work this out with your co-parent. Now, the reality is that some people can't do that. But for those families that are willing to try, the option that I would recommend at this time would be some form of virtual or tele mediation, which a lot of the best mediators in the state are offering now as a new service. They're using Skype, they're using Zoom, and they have modified their approach to mediation to try to adapt to the circumstances. So I'm going to spend one of my upcoming posts really diving into those options and what precautions that Jolie Weinberg in my office, one of the best mediators around, is taking to ensure that the mediation process stays confidential and also stays productive. There's one other major kind of development that I think is worth spending some time on, and that is the availability of emergency paid sick leave to employees, and for families, emergency family medical leave. Everyone calls it FMLA. My reading of the emergency FMLA provisions is that there is the availability of 12 weeks of FMLA for parents who are unable to work or telework because they must care for children who are no longer in school or childcare because of the COVID-19 virus response. So if that is something that is maybe would be helpful to your situation, I certainly encourage anyone watching this video to look into that and to certainly see if it's an option for your family. I just wanted to take this opportunity to ask everyone who's watching these videos to like the videos, share them with your friends, share them on social media, and certainly feel free to make any comments. I'm still in that phase of kind of trying to figure it all out, and I've gotten a lot of helpful feedback so far, and I'm willing to hear more. So please reach out to me and let me know how it's going. Thank you.